Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel, and we are getting into the gaming rig where the RS game 550 watt power supply is going to be going into. Yes, let me go ahead and get right into this video, because see, the reason I could have installed it down, but here's the issue. Once I take my glass off, y'all going to go ahead and see what I'm talking about. As you notice, y'all see these big hands. Yeah, I'm going to show you why I'm going to have to take everything apart, because I can't get my big hands into the part where I needed to get it at. And I prefer to just go ahead and re-clean it and give it a good thorough clean of it. Now, as you can see, let me turn on my light so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Here's my CPU rail. As you see, I can't get up in there. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. Yes. There go my CPU rail sticking up top. Y'all see my hand. I can't get to the clamp. Yes. It's a big beast. It's a big monster. And yes, I keep in mind, oh my gosh, this baby here. I do be on this more a lot than I do my editing rig. The thing is about it, it's not that dirty, thank God for that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a thorough clean, because I don't want to go ahead on and put a new power supply in my computer when it's looking like this here. Yes. You can see the little dust right here on the hard drives. Yeah, I got it sitting on my floor stand, but it's on the floor. And what I'm going to do is I might be doing a rebuild of building me a new CPU stand from scratch, the way I like it. And as you see right up in here, yeah, this baby here sucks in a lot of dust. And yeah, I don't like that at all. Give y'all that nice good B-roll footage. The main thing I like about it is that my motherboard is not that dirty. That's a blessing right there. So just to go ahead on and do that there is a big must. Yes, you see that big old CPU cooled by Thermaltake. Yes, that baby handles 150 watt thermal design power. As y'all see, I got them bad boy maxed out with double fans, baby. Yes, sir. The CPU is 100 thermal design power, 4 cores, 4 threads. It's the Athlon X4 760K, 3.85 base with the 4.3 boost. I already got my CPU boosted. It's good. Sticks of RAM is the G-Skills 16 gigabyte 2.8 sticks. Now y'all see these here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 hard drives pushing this computer here. As you see, go through that nice little smooth B-roll. That's 1. That's 2. And the other 4's in the back. Yes. Now I'm gonna go ahead on and get right down into it. There she goes. Silverstone. Silverstone. This power supply I brought used. Now keep in mind, I was watching one of my subscribers, Toasty Bros, and it makes sense. I was on a tight budget, but now power supplies are very cheap to get. You just got to know what type power supply you're getting and how much power you need to go ahead and power your components as well as your GPU. Now the reason why I'm keeping it to 550 to 600, because the GPU I want to team into it is the RTX 2060, which I cannot buy because they overpriced, and those are the new prices we have to buy at MSRP now, because they overscalp. So those are new retailers right there, are scalpers. And the GTX 1660 Super 6 gigabyte. Y'all probably say, oh, why you ain't buying this? I could buy the 588 gigabyte, but you can't find them on stores now. And it is what it is. So as you see, dust. Now I cleaned this baby out 4 months ago. It should not be looking like this at all. It should not be looking like this at all. But it is what it is. Now, so like I said, I gotta strip it, clean it, and install the RS Game 550 watt power supply into the new cubby. Yes, right down into this area here. Now, just like I said, I do not recommend nobody buying any used PSUs from eBay. I took a chance, and when I put this system together in 2020, it did its thing. It took up my SSD, which thanks to Team Group, and I caught it just in time because it was still under warranty. I brought the SSD in 2021. It took my SSD out due to the powering off, cutting back on, zipping hard drives, and everything like that there. So yeah, it is what it is, and I am happy to be replacing that. And it's not an issue. So, enough talking. Let's just go on with the strip down, and then I'm gonna go ahead on with the parts, installing everything back together. I love my basic, simple gaming rig. The motherboards, the CPU, everything came out in 2013. So I was focusing on playing games from 2009 to 2013, and I found out that my system could go ahead on and play some of the latest modern, basic, simple games like Civilization, my Dota 2. I love my Dota 2. My my Torchlight 2, my Mortal Kombat at low settings, at basically medium settings. That's about 1068 by 720, which I don't care. That's 720p, so I really don't care about that there, because I could care less about the 4K resolutions that everybody else play their games in. I built my system for me. I love my system, and I'm going to enjoy it until one day the lightning takes it out, and I could just, I could go ahead on and get the Ryzen 3 4700G. Yes, you can go ahead on and buy those CPUs off eBay, and it can get it for like under 100. So that's a good blessing right there. Or should I just wait until the new CPU rundown drop out by AMD and buy that? But I don't really need a CPU like that, so I just need something to play basic modern games. You know, and basic games, I mean games that don't require too much from the GPU and too much from the CPU. Alright, enough talking. Let's strip this baby down. Let's clean it. Let's do this. Alright everybody, she's done, she's clean. Now, tomorrow is the reassemble and the installation of the RS Gang 550 watt bronze power supply. I love it, faucet clean, wasn't that much to do. The filters, I'm gonna go in the grill, I'm gonna clean that first thing in the morning. Easy clean, just rinse off, dry them off quick, be done with it. That's it, and I can't wait. Alrighty, thank you for watching. If you like this video of me doing the cleaning and getting everything ready for the RS Gang 550 bronze power supply, go ahead on and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.